Hi everyone, this is an information. You may want to share this with your children because look at the kitchen. Children have been in the house today, not put anything away. I don't think they know what appliances we have in the modern age in this household. So look, children, Mugain, Rowan, this is what you do. You take your dirty dishes, which you didn't put in there and wash, but you can do something even simpler. You can move across here. I know it's very well hidden and disguised and you might not be able to see what it is, but it says here, hot point. And look, there's a magic handle. And when you open the magic handle, a dishwasher. And all you have to do, you pull out the tray, the forks go in the nice little holder. There we go, nice, in with his other friends. A bowl, that goes in the rack just there. What? There's more room. Let's go over here. We have more dishes. A dishwasher. How amazing. That goes in there and that goes in there. Lovely. Wait, what's this? Another rack. Look what goes in the other rack. The glass you used earlier, the jar you used for cooking earlier. They go in here and here. Now, this is the exciting bit. When you close the dishwasher, there's a little tab here to open up. Oh, it usually opens. What have we done? It's broken. There was already a tab in there. Someone was helping you. Look, we close the tab. We close the door. And this is the easy bit. You put the power on. And you know all your other devices with the play button? That looks just like a play button. Play! Dishwasher!